Did you know LinkedIn is now 277% more effective for lead generation than Facebook and Twitter combined? Yet most professionals still struggle to generate consistent leads or revenue from it. And if you've ever felt like LinkedIn has massive potential, but you just can't figure out how to unlock it, you're not alone. Let me ask you something honestly. What if LinkedIn could consistently bring you clients, business deals, partnerships, and real opportunities without cold calling, without running expensive ads, and without spending hours manually messaging strangers? Sounds interesting, right? But before you move ahead, let me share the brutal truth about LinkedIn marketing. We're in 2026, and traditional ways of LinkedIn marketing no longer work in today's time. Traditional LinkedIn marketing is outdated and exhausting. You spend hours searching for prospects, sending connection requests, trying to write personalized messages, posting content hoping someone notices, and then trying to remember follow-ups. And most of the time, messages get ignored. Content gets no engagement, prospects disappear, and eventually, you either give up or convince yourself LinkedIn just doesn't work. But here's the reality. LinkedIn does work. It's just missing one thing: a smart system that keeps everything running consistently. Because without automation, LinkedIn marketing becomes overwhelming fast. You need to stay consistent with outreach, stay visible with content, track leads and conversations, follow up multiple times, build authority and trust. And if you stop doing any one of these, your growth stops. Your leads disappear. Your opportunities dry up. And that's exactly why most professionals never unlock LinkedIn's full power. Hey, I'm Victor Yakpos. And honestly, I struggled with LinkedIn too. I knew the platform had massive potential, but managing outreach, writing messages, posting content, tracking leads, it quickly became overwhelming and inconsistent. So I started studying something. Why do some professionals generate clients and opportunities from LinkedIn effortlessly, while others struggle? After months of research, testing automation workflows, studying engagement data, and experimenting with AI, I discovered something surprising. The people winning on LinkedIn weren't smarter. They just had systems. Automation systems, content systems, relationship building systems. And once I realized that, I decided to build one. That's why I created LinkedEmpire, the all-in-one LinkedIn growth system that turns any LinkedIn profile into a lead generation and client acquisition machine. Without hiring sales teams, without running ads, without manual outreach. LinkedEmpire automatically helps you find targeted prospects, start real conversations, build authority through content, track leads and opportunities, and nurture connections into clients, all from one simple dashboard. Imagine logging into LinkedIn and your system is already finding high-quality prospects, sending personalized connection requests, following up automatically, posting authority content, building your professional visibility, tracking every lead and conversation, even while you're offline. That's exactly what LinkedEmpire is designed to do. And the best part? LinkedEmpire works in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Find your ideal prospects using smart filters and competitor audience discovery. Step 2. Automatically start conversations using AI-powered outreach and follow-ups. Step 3. Turn those connections into clients and opportunities using built-in lead management and nurturing tools. That's it. No marketing skills required, no complicated setup, no manual prospecting. Just switch on the system and let LinkedEmpire do the heavy lifting. Inside LinkedEmpire, you also get powerful tools like AI outreach automation, content creation and scheduling, competitor audience extraction, lead tracking dashboard, bulk messaging campaigns, engagement automation, Chrome extension automation, analytics and reporting, and even team and agency collaboration tools. Everything you need to turn LinkedIn into a predictable growth engine. During beta testing, users started reporting something incredible: more conversations, more profile engagement, better quality leads. Some even started landing recurring clients using LinkedEmpire campaigns. And for our internal testing, in fact, We generated up to 4 times more leads in just 14 days through LinkedIn using LinkedEmpire. But here's where things get even more interesting. LinkedEmpire doesn't just help you grow your LinkedIn. It also gives you the opportunity to start your own LinkedIn marketing service business. Businesses are actively hiring professionals to handle LinkedIn outreach, lead generation, content creation, appointment setting, authority building. Many freelancers charge anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month offering these services. And with the commercial license included, you can offer these services and keep 100% of the profits. So whether you want to generate clients for your business, build your personal brand, grow your network, launch a service agency, or create recurring income opportunities, LinkedEmpire gives you the system to do it faster, smarter, and consistently. And normally, access to LinkedEmpire costs $97 per month. But today, you can get full access for a one-time launch price of just $37, with 0 monthly fees. Plus, you're fully protected with a 30-day money-back guarantee. But this launch price is only available for a limited time. As the platform grows and more features are added, the price will increase. So this is your opportunity to lock in lifetime access at the lowest price LinkedEmpire will ever be offered. Because if you don't, you may continue spending hours manually prospecting, missing potential clients, struggling to stay consistent, watching competitors automate LinkedIn growth, while others build predictable lead pipelines on autopilot. So if you're ready to finally turn LinkedIn into your lead, authority, and opportunity machine, click the button below, get instant access to LinkedEmpire, and start letting LinkedIn work for you.